Hello everyone, welcome to Lady B Gardening. So today is I think this will be the second video for the watermelon. So should we say step 2 or just video 2? Let's just call it video 2. So it's been 21 days after I planted the watermelon from seed, and this is how they're looking like. This is how they look like. This is the update. I've got some there that I've started again, another set, but this is the update of the ones I planted on my fourth video, and this is 21 days after. So what I'll do, which I will show you in my next video, probably later, maybe next week or so, is once they start having another flowers, like they're about, because once they start having the true flowers coming out, then I would just replant them because this is getting longer. And that's it. Here's the update 21 days later of planting the watermelon from seed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any question, leave me a comment, message, and I'm happy to help. Have a blessed day. Take care and God bless you. Bye.